plugged in now. Power on, power on. Hello. And here we have the Ninja Foodi FlexDrawer 10.4 litre air fryer. Dual zone technology. Yeah man, look at that big whole chicken in the middle. And I managed to get the Ninja Foodi cooking apron. This is the Ninja AF500 UK. Got the air vents at the top. It's quite a nice look finish. Not as chrome as the other versions, like the AF400 is totally shiny chrome. And then here it says use the main handles, that's at the side, to take it in and out. Let's have a look at the back. Same vents as the other models. Now I can get to the tape here. I just hope this tape, it looks like it's the same sort of tape. It's plugged in now. Power on. Hello. In here we have the divider. So if you want to use the full 10.4 litres, you just slide this divider out. It's got quite a lot of rubber around the side. Before first use, wash with soapy hot water. Wash the drawer, divider and crisper plates. So, hello. So we've got the zones working, you can select what you want. It's quite noisy. This is a lot noisier than my microwave. My previous Tefal air fryer was almost quieter than my microwave. This one, it's not a bad sound. It's kind of got a nice sound to it with the whine. Doesn't sound too bad. Now at the back we've got two vents that shoot upwards, so it's pushing any hot air up away from the wall. Whereas you can see here, the heat is literally coming straight up, so you could have this flat against the wall. I mean, I've got about 3 or 4 inches there, and I would say that's pretty good. I had my last one at a diagonal. This is actually quite lightweight, actually, turning this round. It's getting to 3, 2, 1. It's now cooling down a little bit. Yeah, it's letting me opening it up. Let's have a look underneath. There you go, you just caught them cooling down. So basically it's 2 grills, like you get in any type of oven as such, but they're separate. And then the fan just blows air quickly over them. Okay, so let's cook, yeah? So I've got 2 things I'm cooking: Beef Wellington, roast potatoes. Now because I want them to start at different times, I need to press sync. So the first one, 200's fine. It does say more minutes for well done, so I can check it later and see whether I want to do it for a bit more. And then we've got the roast is the same time. It says 22 minutes, so for an air fryer, so 20 minutes I'm going to do, and then start. So this one's already started cooking, and this one's on hold. So basically it started, and this is going to kick in. Okay, it's coming to an end of its cook. It's on cool down. There we go. And everything looks okay. It's quite warm in there. And there we have it. So I'm going to put some gravy on that, and then that's all ready for me to eat. I already put some condiments on. Pepper, salt, a little bit of salt, pepper, and I actually sprinkled some paprika on top of the potatoes.